So my dear students, I am giving you a lecture about chapter titled plane. So today's problem is to illustrate a volume of a tetrahedron where the given 4 points. So let us consider a tetrahedron with the vertex A, B, C and D, where the coordinates of the vertex are given here: A, x1, y1, z1, B, x2, y2, z2, C, x3, y3, z3 and D, x4, y4, z4. For a convenient purpose, we just consider a triangle or plane VCD here uh, with the coordinates B, x2, y2, z2, C, x3, y3, z3 and D, x4, y4, z4. So let us determine the equation of the plane VCD. Here you see that we just have placed x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3 and x4, y4, z4 the coordinates of B, C and D, and just in the determinants we use the general variable as x, y and z. So equal to 2. It is the equation of the triangle VCD. And let us consider a vertex A, and the perpendicular distance from A to the plane BCD is h. So we formulate the length of h as h equal to, add it here, here we put a determinants x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z4, z3, x4, z4 and 1 on 1 here as a denominator of h, and then another quantity as a denominator, this. How have we considered this denominator? Let's see. You see that we just have removed this column and this row here, and we find a quantity y2 z2 1, y3 z3 1, y4 z4 1, and we just have placed this here y2 z2 1, y3 z3 1, y4 z4 1 and as a square. And again we just have removed the column from here second column, and then we find another quantity x2 z2 1, x3 z3 1, x4 z4 1, and just we look, we just have x2 z2 x2 1, z3 x3 1, z4 x4 1. Here we transfer the, we have transferred the, interchange the column, first column the x3 x2 z2 x4 was the first column and z2 z3 z4 was the second column. We just have interchanged here for a simple convenient. Now we see that how we have determined this portion of the denominator. So you see that in the determinant we just have removed the third column of this determinant, and then we find x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z y3 y3 1, x4 y4 1. Just we just repeat x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, x4 y4 1, and such a way this denominator comes here and it's a square root. And this is the formula of h, the length of a vertex from the given plane. Here the length of the h perpendicular distance of A from the given plane BCD just have obtained here. Now let us determine the area of the triangle BCD. So we see that the area of the triangle of BCD is just del equal to half of a quantity. So how can we find the quantity? Where have it arrived? Where has it arrived from? You see that it's the just form of the denominator of h, and we just have put the denominator of h as a multiplicator of half. So we see that the del equal to half of this quantity. the denominator of h. Use we just have described before the how the denominator of h have arrived here. We just have the simple raw consisting of general variable, and then we find this portion of here, and such an way we first of all we take this first column and second column n1, second column third column n1, and first column third column n1, and thus such an way we calculated the denominator of h, and we just have put the denominator of h as a multiplicator of half, and such an way we calculate the area of the BCD. Now the volume of the tetrahedron is given by the formula V equal to half of del into h, where del has also been obtained in the previous line, and h has also been obtained in here. So we put the value of del and h here. Here we put the value of del, and we also put the value of h in the next line, and here the denominator and the numerator has been cancelled as it is the same, and now in the numerator here a determinant consisting of the four of the coordinates of the 4 points x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3, y4, z1, z2, z3, z4, and a column consisting of 1, and such a way this determinant gives the volume of the tetrahedron ABC. So this is my class about the tetrahedron, volume of the tetrahedron. Thanks for watching this video. Next class I shall explain something more about plane. It's just as introducing, so be safe in this corona session. Next time we shall meet. Allah Hafiz.